This holiday season, what if the gift wasn't more stuff, but confidence, creativity, and connection? On Sunday, December 28th, I'm hosting a My Body, My Power winter day camp, and yes, it's now available as a holiday gift certificate. From 2 to 6 p.m. at Friendship Hall, tweens and teens will gather in a supportive, affirming space to reflect, express themselves, and create their very own All About Me vision board for 2026. This day camp experience includes organic food, all creative supplies, empowerment circles, and meaningful connections, everything they need to feel inspired as they step into the new year. This investment is offered at a sliding scale, and partial and full scholarships are available because access matters. So you can gift this experience during the holidays, and they'll attend the camp feeling excited, supported, and seen. Spots are limited. Register or purchase a gift certificate through the link in my bio. Community Power rocks!